If you're a beginner making junk cases, I'm gonna put you onto some game about charms and charm vendor. Watch to the end, okay? So this is Alibaba. This is basically where you can find vendors for anything, and on this same app you will see reviews, you'll see how many items they sold, roughly about their shipping time as well, and right there at the bottom you can see their chat now, and there is where you can talk back and forth with the vendor. Now, sometimes with these vendors, if they give you like a WhatsApp number, like after chatting with them off of Alibaba, they're not a scam. I personally like WhatsApp just a little bit more because it shows you when like they're online or when they're not online, and the last time they were online. On Alibaba, it'll just tell you in the messages that whenever they read your message, but it won't give you a time frame. But on WhatsApp, they'll actually tell you when your vendor is online and the last time they were on live. So I personally like to talk to my vendors through WhatsApp and not Alibaba. Like, I'll just ask them, hey, what's your WhatsApp number? And we'll talk from there. Now, sometimes these vendors are going to hit you with a MOQ. MOQ is a minimum order quantity. So, for example, if they have a specific color and you ask, well, can you mix and match? They'll be like, no, the MOQ is 20 pieces, and that'll be 20 pieces for one color. Not all vendors are like this, but some of them are. So that's why you need to talk to them, let them know, hey, I'm just starting off. Is there a way that you can override this? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Go beyond her. So MOQ is minimum order quantity. If you just want to test out the quality of the charms, what you can do is you will ask them, hey, can I just get a sample of the charms or whatever. Sometimes they will take off the shipping price for you, or what they'll do is just have you buy the shipping and give you the products for free. Talk to these vendors. These vendors are super nice. As long as if you work with them, they'll work with you. Now, basically, so this is my vendor for my luxury charms. I get my Hello Kitty charms from here as well. But luxury charms, they do really, really, really good. The quality is good. The shipping time is good. If they messed up anything on your order, 9 times out of 10, they fix it. But yeah, if there's any charms that you will like or whatever, just send them a picture and they'll send you what they do or don't have. Just communicate with them. They're very friendly. I've used them ample times, so tell them that your girl sent you, okay? I hope this video helped y'all. Bye.